How do you draw the body in profile like this? No, then watch this video. Hi guys, I'm Mobin. Today, I'll show you how to draw the upper body of a person from the side. Let's get started. First, let's look at the anatomy. The upper body has three parts: the neck, the rib cage, and the pelvis. We start by drawing the chest, which is shaped like an egg. So, begin with that, like this. You might wonder why we draw the rib cage tilted. It's because the rib cage tilts to one side when you view the body from the profile. The pelvis also tilts, but in the opposite direction, which makes the back curve. Now let's add the neck, which should be drawn like a cylinder. Now we need to add the pelvis. To simplify it, draw the pelvis like a crooked bucket, like this. Now we draw a circle for the hand to mark where the hand will go later, like this. Now draw a line down from the middle of the rib cage, place the chest there, and then continue drawing the front of the body down to the pelvis, like this. Now we follow the waistline based on the shapes we drew, and we have our body. Now we can add details such as the ribs and chest line to the character, like this. Oh, I forgot something really important.
Yeah, boy.
One important tip. Here's a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you're unsure how to draw eyes for your character, be sure to watch this video. I'm Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.